Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your WooCommerce store with Hotjar. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official platform that we are using for our WooCommerce store. Most often it's going to be WordPress, so if you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com and open it up, and this is going to be the homepage you're greeted by. From here you can get started accessing the plugins section, from where we can get started setting up our WooCommerce store if you have not already by using the WooCommerce plugins. So once your store is set up, now we can go ahead and get started integrating it with Hotjar. As you can see right here in the official help Hotjar page, we have the instructions on how to go ahead and install WooCommerce on our WordPress website and connect it with Hotjar. So what you can do is you can see Hotjar cannot be used on a free hosted WordPress.com website, and a custom JavaScript is blocked from being embedded within this type of site. So you're going to need a premium plan for your WordPress website, and then you're going to go and be able to copy the tracking code from the Hotjar admin. This is what you want to open up. Go ahead and open up the admin section and copy your custom tracking code, and then you can open up the WordPress editor within the appearance menu. You can see right here. Here we have the appearance menu, and we can open up the editor where you can get started pasting that code. If I currently do not have a premium plan, so I cannot show you directly how it works, but what you can do is follow all the info right here and go ahead and apply it to your website, and that's how you're going to go and be able to integrate WooCommerce with Hotjar. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.